Welcome to our guide on allowing automatic downloads in Gmail on your PC with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Log into your account, and you'll be greeted by your inbox. Now, look at the top of your browser, right next to the web address. You'll see a small padlock or an information icon. Click on this icon, which will bring up the site information menu. Once you've done that, you need to open Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage permissions and settings for Gmail. You'll find various options that control how your browser interacts with the site. Now, scroll down through the list of permissions until you find the option for automatic downloads. This setting controls whether Gmail can automatically download attachments for you. Click on the drop-down menu next to Automatic Downloads and select Allow. That's it. You've now enabled automatic downloads in Gmail on your PC. You can enjoy the convenience of having files downloaded without needing to click through multiple prompts each time. Remember, enabling this setting will help streamline your workflow, especially if you frequently receive attachments. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Happy emailing!